Hello everyone, my name is Dave. I'm from Kitiwment Studios. I'm a Photoshop and Premiere Pro user. I'm also a movie director. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Okay, let's begin. Hello and welcome. In today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to color grade an image step by step. Without any further ado, let's start. So first of all, click on filter, camera raw filter. And now the camera raw filter window is open. So let's go to the basics. We click on the basics. Let's play around with the contrast. I think 17 is okay. Now let's come to highlights and increase the highlight to, let's say, 8 is okay. Now let's come to shadows. I think 32. Is okay. Now let's move on to height. I think the white is okay. Let's move on to black. Let's reduce the black to -16. -16 is okay. Now let's move on to clarity. (32) is okay. Let's dehaze it to 13 is okay. So now let's move on to the vibrance. I think 12 is okay. Okay, now let's move on to the curves. Click on the curve. So let's reduce the shadow to -4. -4 is okay. Let's also reduce the darks. It's okay. So our final option is the color mixer. Make sure you click on the saturation. Let's increase the orange to around 6 is okay. And increase the greens to 100 is okay. And now make sure you click on the hue. So now we are going to move the greens backwards to -100. And now you have this beautiful image. Let's add a little bit of vignettes to it. So click on effects, and this is the vignette. Let's push it backwards a little bit. And I think after that you can press this icon to show the before and the after. So this is the before and this is the after. If everything is okay for you, you can press OK. Now this is the final image. If you are new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Alright, thank you for watching this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and share the video. Have a good day.